In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Zelle limit with Bank of America. If you found that your current Zelle limit is a bit restrictive and you need to send more money, you're in the right place. We'll break down each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to take a moment to review your current Zelle limit. To do this, you'll need to log into the Bank of America mobile app or visit their online banking site. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Transfers section and select Send with Zelle R. This area will display your current sending limits, so you know exactly where you stand before moving forward. Now, before considering an increase, it's essential to ensure that your account is in good standing. Check for any overdrafts, unpaid fees, or security flags that might be on your account, as these could impact your ability to increase the limit. It's worth noting that having a longer relationship with Bank of America and maintaining consistent account activity can be beneficial in these situations. Next, enhancing your account's security authentication can make you a more favorable candidate for a limit increase. Bank of America offers several options for stronger security, such as activating a one-time passcode sent to your mobile device or using a USB security key. These upgrades indicate to the bank that you're committed to securing your account, which can help when requesting higher limits. Once you're confident that your account is in good standing, it's time to contact Bank of America directly. You can reach them by calling their consumer banking support line at 1-800-432-1000. Be clear with the representative, stating, "I'd like to request an increase in my Zelle sending limit." Having your account details on hand and being ready to discuss your monthly transferring needs will make this process smoother. You might also need to go through additional verification, so be prepared for that possibility. After you've made your request, carefully follow any instructions they provide. Sometimes they may ask you to fill out a form or visit a local branch for further verification. The bank will review your account profile, including transaction history and any risk factors. Upon approval, they'll notify you with a written or online confirmation of your new Zelle limit. Finally, verify your updated limit by logging back into your account. Once inside, check if your limit has been successfully increased. You can test this by making a transfer within your new limit to ensure it's processing correctly. If you still encounter any issues or find that your transaction fails due to a limit exceeded message, don't hesitate to reach out to Bank of America again to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully increase your Zelle limit with Bank of America.